Happy morning, dear children. Welcome back, dear. Now, we left the exercise here. Children, read the newspaper report to find the following facts from the Columbia's ill-fated voyage. The newspaper report we saw in this lesson. From that, they are asking questions. Date and place of liftoff. It's 16th January 2003. Number of astronauts on board. It's 7, right? Next is number of days it stayed in space is about 16 days. Number of experiments done by scientists is 80 experiments they did, right? Any doubt in this, dear? Shall we move to the next slide? Right? Date of return journey is 1st February 2003. Height at which it lost contact is 2 lakh feet. Nearly 2 lakh feet. Really, it is horrible, dear. Right? So now matches working with language. Unprecedented space tragedy. You just go through this fully. Then you have to answer it. Then check the answer. Right? Don't see the answer first itself. Unprecedented space tragedy. First I'll read the question alone, then we'll read the answer alone, then we will match each one. Right? Then the second one is certified flight instructor, space mission, super specialization, encyclopedic knowledge, awe-inspiring in this age. There are 7 questions. Answer something that causes feelings of respect and wonder. Right? Having knowledge of wide variety of subjects. Nowadays in these times, a set of jobs to be done in space by a group. A person with the correct qualification to teach people to fly planes. A sad accident of a kind that has never happened before in space. Great expertise in a limited field or a particular subject. So first is unprecedented space tragedy. Yes, dear? It's a tragedy. The word tragedy is a clue word for us. It's a sad accident of a kind that has never happened before in space. Then certified flight instructor. Then what is it? A person with the correct qualification to teach people to fly planes. Instructor is teach. Okay? Teach and instructor. Both will coordinate. Then the space mission. A set of jobs to be done in space by a group. Right? Mission. Mission is job. Super specialization. Then what it is? Great expertise in a limited field or a particular subject. Next is encyclopedic knowledge. Having knowledge of a wide variety of subjects. Awe-inspiring, something that causes feeling or respect and wonder. Right? In this age, nowadays in these times, I hope children you could have understood this. Any doubt in this, dear? Shall we move to the next? Now, we have phrases. Use these phrases in the sentences of your own after finding out their meanings. First is broken apart, streaked over, spread across, lifted off, blast off, went on, cheered along, on board, carry on. So first is what is the meaning? Then you have to frame sentence. First, broke apart. What is the meaning? Broke apart is parted or separated. All these are phrases. Broke apart is parted or separated. Okay. Now, any sentence you can write using broke apart. Using the meaning separated, you can frame any sentence. The example sentence which I have given is the two wheels of my bicycle broke apart suddenly. Okay, streaked over, left a thin line or work. The jet plane streaked over our house high in the sky. Left a thin line or work. So, two meanings are there for each and every phrase, most of the phrases. The jet plane streaked over. That means what? Left a thin line of over our house on house high in the sky. Third is spread across, became widely known or felt. The flu spread across the whole locality. Now you know which is the virus. I am giving flu. I don't like to say again and again the virus name, right? So I gave the flu spread across the whole locality. Lifted off, rose from the launching site. The helicopter lifted off the helipad with only two passengers. Blast off, take off noisily. The spaceship blasted off at 2:30 a.m. sharp. Went on is continued. The discussion went on the whole night. So children, in bracket, what are the words given is the meaning and the example sentence we discussed, right? So all these should be in your classbook, dear. Shall we move to the next? Cheered along, encouraged. All the runners were cheered along by their fans on board inside the plane. The huge ship had nearly 500 passengers on board. Carry on, continue doing something. She decided finally to carry on with her boss. So carry on, the spelling is wrong dear. Carry, carry on with her boss. So rectify that. We add un to make opposite. Usually, un is a prefix word. You all know that. Okay. We studied from 4th standard itself. We are working out this prefix and suffix. So if you are adding before, it is called prefix. When you are adding after the word, after the root word, it is called suffix, right? For example, true, untrue. So un is a word, is a prefix which can be used for opposite, used to make opposites. Add and to the words below to make their opposite. Then look up the meaning of the words you have formed in the dictionary. Identified, unidentified. Controlled, uncontrolled. Attended, unattended. Successful, unsuccessful. Important, unimportant. Educated, uneducated. Then interesting, uninteresting. Qualified, unqualified. Trained, untrained. Answerable, unanswerable. Children, all these things you have to try on your own, dear. Right? Now, speaking skill. So, in her message to students of her college, Kalpana Chawla said, may you have the vision to find the path from dreams to success. Wishing you a great journey. So, if you are in school, we could have formed pairs and we will be using may you and I wish you, wishing you to our partners good luck and success in sports event or a quiz or a competition and test or examination, whatever it is. Now, you can, if there is a chance, you can use these may you and I'm wishing you, I wish you all these words on your own, right? Wishing you a great success in the sports event. Example sentence, all these are example sentence. Wishing you a glorious success in the quiz competition. May you climb to the top in the test. So be sure to thank your partner. He or she wishes in turn to you, right? So I don't like to discuss more about this. Next is, do you have a dream, dear? Or something you very much wish to do? You have to write a paragraph saying what you want or wish to do, like ambition. Okay. So, how you think you can make your dream come true? Dreaming actually, it is a common and natural activity of the mind. All dreams, everybody had a dream. Okay, when we are asleep. But the word dream also means ambition, a keen desire in life. In that sense, I have the modest dream. I wish to qualify for the medical profession. To me, a doctor ranks next to God as protector of life. He provides relief to the crying patient. He cures diseases. He helps a patient recover from illness and be happy and live a full life. I wish to be a doctor to help the poor patient, to bring a smile on their faces. I know that your dream is not easy to realize. I need not only a brilliant mind but also the means to pay for my studies. Nevertheless, I am determined to pursue my goal. I hope to do well in the entrance examination. As for the final financial help, I will get it from some banks. So, children, this is a small example for you. You should not write the same in your classwork. You have to go on with your dreams. What is your dream? You write about that dream. Okay? So I want to show this because how many lines we have shown here. Minimum that many lines you have to write. Minimum of 7 to 10 lines you have to write in your classwork. For that reason only we are showing this as an example. Okay, dear? Because I know most of our children will write very nicely. Some children may write, I want to become an engineer. I want to become an aeronautical engineer. Something like that. They'll write in one line and they'll finish off. So that should not happen. I want you to write clearly. Right? So next is, given below are some words that are spelled differently in British and American English. So color, what is the American English? For labor, what is the British English? Traveler, what is the spelling of British English? We usually write in our notes and books. So what will be the spelling? Counselor, center, theater, organize, realize, defense, offense. All these spellings vary from British English and American English that you have to fill in here. All these are home funds for you, right? Short answer. These are all extra answers which we are giving you. What was Kalpana Chawla's great achievement? Kalpana Chawla's great achievement was that she was selected to go into space. Her achievement was awe-inspiring. Now, what is a space shuttle? Name the shuttle which took Kalpana in space. Space shuttle is a spacecraft. It can be used for space travel more than once. It is unlike a rocket. Kalpana took in space the shuttle named Columbia. Right? How did Kalpana Chawla meet her end? When did this tragedy in space takes place? Kalpana Chawla went up in space shuttle along with 6 other astronauts on Saturday, February 1, 2003. The shuttle Columbia broke apart. All the 7 on board were killed. So, children, only one question more. What do you know about Kalpana Chawla's education? Kalpana Chawla graduated from Tagore School, did her aeronautical engineering. She went to USA to earn her PhD. naturalized US citizen, became a naturalized US citizen. Thank you, dear.